Hello students, let's see demo on isometric projection. So here let's start drawing for the circular lamina. So here if I'm going to be drawing the circle, the diameter is 50. So this is the circle which is going to be the 0.5. Now I'm going to enclose this inside the box. 50, width will be 50, tab, height will be 50, angle is 0. So if I'm going to check this is 50, even this is also 50. The diameter of the circle is 50. So now I need to draw it on the horizontal surface. So from this point I'm going to draw 50, angle should be 30 degrees, 50, 150 degrees, 50 minus 150, then to this point. So I'll be mentioning this is 30 degrees. Next thing is we need to join the major axis from minor axis to opposite side midpoint, provided this mid is on. So I'll be drawing this, then these two can be mirrored. That is the reason. Once this is drawn, you can go for ellipse, arc by center point, thickness is 0.5, and select this. This is the end point, draw till here, then select this point. This is the end point, I'm going to draw an arc till this point. Similarly, this is the center, this is the radius, draw till here, or else I'll select this, mirror it, then select this, go to mirror, select this. So this is how we are going to be drawn, and you can see that this is the length is 50, and we are drawing for the isometric projections. If the length is not reduced to 0.8165, so that means I'll go here, this is 50. If it is equal to true length, this is called as isometric view. I need to make this for the isometric projection. So that means I'll select this, I'll make this one here. What I need to do is I need to make isometric projection. Isometric projections means I'm going to select this, I'm going to reduce the scale here. So I'm going to reduce to 0.8164 or 6. It will take us 0.862. Now you can see that this is the reduced scale. So this is called as isometric projections. Now let's see how we are going to solve the problem for the hemisphere and the sphere. So we have a hemisphere diameter 60. That means I'll take this, I need to make this to 60. So that means I need to enlarge this. So go to scale, here I want it to be 60. Right now this is 50. So 60 divided by 50 or 6 by 5 will make it the equal to 60. I need not construct again. So this one is isometric view. Isometric view. I'm going to create hemisphere. So I'll select, go for arc by center point. So this is the center, this is the radius, end point. I'll draw an arc till this point. So this is hemisphere, diameter is 60 over this sphere of diameter 40 has been kept. This height is multiple copy of. So this is the axis, the diameter is 40, this is radius 30, this one is the axis length. Now we have created this length which is equals to 60, diameter 60 has been created. So this is the isometric view. Now the axis from this point is 20. So I'm going to draw from this point, I will draw a line of the length 20. So isometric projection, this is isometric view. So sphere will be in the true length. So I'll take this, now I'll bring this, go for scale 0.8164. so this is called as isometric projection. Over this sphere diameter is 40. The reason why we have not kept is sphere should be in the true length. If I'm going to keep it here, it will be reduced to scale, which is going to be less than 40. Sphere will be in the true length. So this is the isometric projections. In isometric view, keep all the construction lines, whereas in case of isometric projections, do not retain any construction lines. If there is any error, you can just rectify it. So I'll take this, then I'll be trimming trim. So this is the isometric projections. This is what we need to retain. The same way we have done one cone. So hemisphere diameter 40 is placed coaxially on the vertex of the cone of the base diameter 60. So already have created this 60. I'll bring it here. So this is not there, I'll delete it. So we have created it. The base diameter 60, axis length is 50. So this length should be 50. Then from here I'm going to select this point, it should be tangent. Make sure you're going to get this tangent symbol provided if this tangency is on. So this must be tangent. Similarly from here, tangent. Then now what we have creating is called as the isometric view, not the isometric projections. So next thing is, over this I need to place a hemisphere diameter 40. So this one is already 60, so I'll select this. So I need to scale it, go for scale. I want to reduce the scale. What I want is 40. What is now is 60. So the diameter 40. So hemisphere diameter 40. So from here I'll keep it 20. Then I'll take this, go to move, select this point, paste it here. Then draw an arc by center. So if this is the center, this is the radius. This is the radius. So even the vertex will not be visible. So anyway, it's isometric view, you can retain all the construction lines, whereas in case of isometric projections, I don't want to retain all this. So first thing is I'm going to scale down. So 0.8164. So we will also be sure that we have reduced the scale. Great. So I will be trimming the vertex that will be not visible. This is not seen. This is not seen. This is not seen. This is not seen. So this is, if you want you can retain, or else you can delete this. Anyway, we have shown in isometric view. So this is the isometric projections. Now here we already created circular lamina. If I want to make to keep this vertical, I'll go to move, multiple copy on, select this, move, multiple copy on, select this, paste it, right click. So I'll be rotating this. So now you can see that this is for the vertical surface. So I can keep it here. Even I can mirror also. So one thing is I showed you is the rotate option, the other one is the mirror option. You can keep it here, you can keep it here. It becomes a horizontal surface, it becomes vertical surface. So sometimes the systems will hang because of the RAM issues. So just go for mirror, I'll keep it here. So this is a reference plane, so I'll just keep it. We can construct either manually or make use of the computers. Now one more problem. So this is the problem. This is the what they have given as a front view, and the side view we need to draw it. It is a square 70. So first thing I'll be drawing is 70. First thing I'll be drawing is isometric view. So this is 70, enter, 70, 30. From here the thickness is 30, 150 degrees. So once you can select this, move, you get the end point, paste it, then select this, move, select this end point, paste it. Now I need to keep the cylinder, the diameter is 35. So it is on the right vertical surface. So you can just take this, diameter is 35. So this one scale is 40.82. I need to reduce the scale. Go for scale, I want is 35 divided by 40.82. So we have created for the 35 side. Now I need to find the midpoint. Select this, move, multiple copy on midpoint. I'll paste it to the anyway mid is on, so I'm going to place it here. Now the cylinder length is 40. So from here I need to take 40 is the distance minus 30 degrees. So I'll select this, move, multiple copy of on, select this, paste it here. So when I'm going to take it, the best way is I'll be selecting this arc so that it will reduce the time for the trimming. So this is the midpoint and paste it here. Then I'm going to make it this point to, it should be tangent, this point to midpoint. From this midpoint to midpoint. So I'll just draw the thin lines. Isometric view, let it be all the constructions be. Now in case of isometric projections, I'll select this, place it here. Then reducing the scale, go for scale 0.8164, keep this. Then you can delete all this construction lines. So when this will be not visible, 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 this is what. So now you can see, you will also make sure that isometric view is going to be the true scale, isometric projections is going to be reduced scale. Now one more problem is a hemisphere diameter 50. So already we have created for 40. I'll select this, keep it here, then go for scale 5/4, that means 50/40. Is placed centrally on the top of a frustum of rectangular pyramid base 80 into 60. So first I'm going to create 80, 30 degrees, 80, 60, 80 minus 150, then here. Thickness is 0.5. The height is 55. So I need to find the center here. Height is 55, so then I'll select I will create one more, which is 60, 30, 40, 150, 60, then kept it here, midpoint to midpoint. Select this, move, this is center, pasted it here. So now this is thick lines. Now I'm going to join it from this point to this point, this point to this point, this point to this point. Over this I need to place this hemisphere diameter 50. So from here height is 25. So now I can go to this move, I can select this point and paste this one here. This is isometric view. Isometric means, so I press the control button, so I'll be getting this. Select this, scale down, .8164. Then I'll delete this. Press Ctrl, select these lines, delete. Go to trim, then this will be not visible. So this is the isometric projection. Similarly, there is a cylinder. So a square prism 40 side is placed on the cylinder 100 diameter. So I'll select this, press Ctrl and drag it. Now I want to make the diameter 100, so go to scale, make it 2, that will become twice the size, which is nothing but 100. Then thickness is 30, so from here I'm going to make it 30. So now I'll be selecting this. I don't want to trim it again, so I'll just select only the ellipse. Then go to this move, multiple copy on, select the center, paste it here. Then draw this from this point to this point. This is the center. Now I need to keep the square prism base 40. So here I can draw it from the center. The easiest is something you can just make it is something 40. Angle is 30 degrees, 40, 150 degrees, 40 minus 150, then here. Then I'll take this midpoint to midpoint. This is just to find the center. Select this, go to move, select this midpoint, paste it here. What is the height? Height is 50. So from this point, count is 50. Select this, go to move, select this end point, paste it here, paste it here. The other one is not required because it is going to be covered. So select this, press Ctrl, go to move, select this end point, paste it. So what we have done is the isometric view. So I need to make the isometric projection line projections. So let's select this, press Ctrl, drag it, scale down 0.8164, then delete this. So it's not seen, so let's trim it. So this is how we are going to be solving it for the isometric projections. Hope you understood. Have a good day.